Charlotte Oduro, or a renowned
what do you mean? Marriage counselor. Buy my marriage counseling or certificate.
Charlotte Oduro.
Your introduction. You're renowned counselor.
And only
so self-acclaimed. Says now, your mom podcast no more kasa. Yeah, say self-acclaimed.
And only Charlotte Oduro problem. Personal problem.
Meaning personal problem. Making your kasa meaning personal problem, but meaning personal problem.
Or a renowned counselor. You can't be a renowned
self-acclaimed
counselor
until
self-acclaimed. No, I disagree. On your self-acclaimed.
Brahima, don't misinform people. We don't know that she is qualified. And I was disappointed, say, and ekoji afutu one, because from the way of kasane the way oyen, what means on one kasana and chebegu. It was so obvious in our and begu. Not remote door, and cardi pass some Okomfo Black as some buy or TV so no Canada near Brison or the Kwam and the young couple or the Kwam. She couldn't even fight for her marriage. I think so or no baby. She is under the influence of something.
Hello, Abuson for Medin Chas from Ebramunina. When you say Radado Munina Mohoye. Where the video way Mzbel na Msen Yakoswo Ghana, Counsellor Dr. Charlotte Oduro, Msen Nwasam trendy our Ghana of late. Name say Mzbel, I think sana on any will beef, but now audience here. Nina say Ebra neba, I think so Okomfo Black also say. Say Okokan say Yamini ho say so I say Okasetia Bible ni Jesus Christ. Emma among for every tree akora nanim. Na according to Mzbel no, or say Counsellor Charlotte Oduro way ebeji gina mu etwi ni bade nim pa. I think sana she was looking for an opportunity or also so ebe to be a dear man no. Now, and any first time I open my channel, is so abomodena subscribe to my channel. Mama na after like a video in a share, drop your comment and so not meet me your opinion. Nadia, I am a as a Christian. They say Mzbel, she doesn't identify as a Christian. I think sir, she identifies sir or you may find a traditionalist and as a spiritual person. Now, when you know, so you Christian now. Myself say Adibia Uye Biano, Jenny Christo Dino, he said, so one here. Na the obeye no eba bontia amanfo a omunyi Jesus Christ enie and I say omunji Bible enie no, you give them an opportunity to speak against our faith. Intimacy say uye Christonia ade bia uye bia ade bia, it doesn't matter whether big or small. There was say odwene Christo din ho say ade ameye whether big or small no. There was say yetimi dwene ho say ade animguase ebeka Christo din ana ebema omunyi Christo enie enya kwan akasa etia Christosumana. Iti so he senior na Mzbel edi mami hu fewi a. On say eye very painful. Na arahu some say Mzbel some obekaya mo Ghana no there. I think some obekai some few years ago. Na abaya Mzbel oni Tracy Boachi na omo kontoka over President John Mahama. Enomni ade. I think say some time ago so Mzbel okonya some Ken UST okobo show ma jama manfo bi de omo nsakwa kika no ni ade. On say anipa omunyina nanso ewo omo hono asemsi na eye Kristoni asema. Look at the way omusifa ekano we ntina mesre say yene eye Christopher no yene very careful awa de bia ye especially ni ayesi ye wo sumu obi anim maybe one day is going to come out. Nti yene very careful. Nti no said me kind no and then the first time I open my channel is so abomodena subscribe to my channel mame na like a video no na share na drop your comment and so na intimi and more with the algorithm. I know you will do that, so I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
Charlotte Oduro, or a renowned
what do you mean? Marriage counselor. Buy my marriage counseling or certificate.
Charlotte Oduro.
Your introduction. You're renowned counselor.
And only
so self-acclaimed. Says now, your mom podcast no more kasa. Yeah, say self-acclaimed.
And only Charlotte Oduro problem. Personal problem.
Meaning personal problem. Making your kasa meaning personal problem, but na meaning person personal
or you renowned counselor. You can be a renowned
self-acclaimed
counselor
until
self-acclaimed. No, I disagree. On your self-acclaimed.
Brahima, don't misinform people. We don't know that she is qualified. We don't know that she has qualifications for what she's doing. We don't know. So we can't come and sit here and tell people, say, oh, you're well-renowned counselor. We can say,
Nikunu, Apostle Oduro. Meaning, say, we letter now. Or say,
Oni neja.
Or mawari enibu.
And our na some media, so we are Brahima. Share Okomfo Black as someone buy. Mami Jijine Muti says, like I have a personal problem. Apart from the fact, so continue UT. And the reason why I'm friend call UTV or Kobisan is because she has already started talking about it.
Okay.
So this woman, I can say I have a problem with her. I really do have a problem.
No, na wakan obas ma do you need to have a personal problem?
Sorry, it's yummy, but not 10 years a child. Na mami penny we also so class we are counselor, so yes suffer. Na kwala kansem share if I was in her position time or can Okomfo Black and Masama. What I expect somebody with titles no kitano to say oh oya kwala intimujano onye obeba be hu no kre no. That is how a counselor or be or sina or no say na adwemu do oba na de bia or say na adwemu
o ka say onu no say na adwemu do I mean say yes
but that's what she always say yeah but then na adwemu do a anka ade pass am Okomfo Black asem no buy or TV so no kana na ni aburi so no obekwa ma na nyankopon she couldn't even fight for her marriage. So she was trying to fight a 10 years old boy for some God.
Marriage, not marriage, but worry.
Brahima.
I worry for your massem. What's way? Oh, worry.
Brahima.
What worry?
The fact that me from the internet is to say, my worry interest me.
It's and then the whole catch me say, what worry?
I worry again. Of course. And me, my worry. Don't worry about it. So one so be one am out. Right, man. The one mammy Okomfo Black as some TV so. Me say no static candidate no mo friend ba no be kika sorry tell no coupon the way she spoke fighting a 10 years
Nana train na worry me say train worry and now be say na worry no answer
worry spoke no after Okomfo Black assemblage na started monitoring obey a part of my algorithm say yeah me hunu and I was disappointed say and ekoji afutu one and because from the way of kasane the way oyen utimi so onu ankasa na ware enche begu it was so obvious say na ware na begu Brahima the way are no or canceling in some be or kasam and say gonna for say na ware egu na dwemu ndo say na de bi obaka say oba de wadwemu da now ni be ma na dwemu wo form tia no say every time she's insulting her husband and she thinks it's a joke.
No ndi na tell you
Brahima
I don't say she say nsem na no kanina na direct attack to
Brahima asama okenyi na uya akwala asama okenyi na utia utimi hu se ne kunu no ne
but nana awari asem here kan
marriage Brahima na onu Charlotte Oduro said then Brahima on me am power I mean jawari to me onu mami we on ma wari mpo onya ma kono say me wari
and is it because of the council
set a good example with awari Brahima obi o cancel awari on set a good example with awari somebody like me say me tie na me ntini mpo wari on set a good example with awari Brahima we gina bedwemu a the we all can obema na dwemu no obema na dwemu wo from just hey the drama hey tearing one man apart and she thinks it's a joke and you are still married to him so it was so obvious awari na ebegu and she herself never be here can me say some I think so onum bibi she is under the influence of something Brahima want me gina bedwemu ka say me dem say also for mama me dem say born ekoti she's a gangster.
No, so professor ni kunu nkamba na ni kunu
asa mbese obomi na mbese me kunu obomi me yede obomi me am to just time is fam na me hu sa de in the modern day Ghana we say we two obi aware as aware fofu this is the example you are setting and so bia say na mama na ware na egu na you obi ade Brahima and you obi ade o and you onu nkwan ni counselor na ware egu and you no kwani public figure na worry egu esi de bia ba ne de no ase obi aso because of ono ana no
me
and some more can e from mema ho like if from mema ho like aname no
me disappointed kakra e wo ni kunu no we no letter no de ba abonten no because me her timing no enye okay. The reason why I say timing in your okay, say we say February, and in the month of February, you can our assembly brio, mami ni beko programs, obenya gigs abobombo. What I say, obenya baby akona ebia kakra beba. Afi de oba be bu agro no kra. That is why I have a problem.
So you are saying, say the right time to announce a marriage divorce is when the other side
is not in the month of February.
Are you serious? Right,
Ebra, a time the other party also.
When how Papa why Okomfo Papa to for it. So now who can say ampa? Anyway, don't Okomfo baby. Let me talk. This woman is one of the few women me who are bold. I was social media. I can say no matter how bad the marriage is, you have to stay inside. You have to enjoy it. Into cheating to be jaw kunama obia befa. Into way to be jaw kunama befa. She has enforced and encouraged a lot of young women, naive women, to stay in abusive relationship. Why did she run away?
Did you have evidence, Anna?
Oh, right.
To that effect?
I have videos, plenty videos. I all cancel Okomfo. Plenty videos telling people to stay in abusive relationship. Unja ukunu because of cheating. Unja ukunu because of this. Unja ukunu because of that. So ye pese ya pamona na say onu no jani ye. Ya pamono.
Oh, say nikunu dia betu.
If you are the best, I would name marriage mu nyama. This is not even how your marriage. Yes, nipa ho by my wait, nipa ho flu nipa.
Oh worry you.
Nipa
oh worry. The way our recent World Cup to say the train worry.
People like anytime I go on TV and radio and say media, I'm not interested in marriage. Omo no mo betena se chire mu. Etiatia me so adru me so mama nkebi. Right, my worry egu a obia ente. E ka marriage counseling no ho.
That is also why marriage counseling calls me because that's a
so you're correct marriage counselor or you're correct woman of God and now we agree and came on my social media and some will be and kebi and can you crew and printing letter so you're bar to the woman from the women of substance and I those kind of women
a virtuous woman
right my worry egu social media will be on point but who can bold at letter with letterhead.
I sorry in letter. I sorry in letter.
I sorry moon create jow. The church has given up on it. All right,
but
that's sad story.
But say you share adibi recent. Uche mamini recent videos and in the pictures are. Say see an appearance crasses are. Don't you think say na owoina because you see an omoduku no you could see the hair no you could see the makeup no it could be say even crown no was some no na ye man no kwan man ntimi nresi ye ene sa na ma no
ye man kwan man nresi ye
like won say tie
no otimi mo osofo no kotimi nresi na kan obia otimi no osofo no ko edidi na tem eye say me shada ye say me summa no ye say me preach I am being character ya me dikasa it's the woman's character
and that is what born to watch
oh yes of course what did you matem or did you me batem or attacking me ba encouraging other people to attack or sing sorry a Christopher sorry waka so yes this energy is her energy don't tell me a spiritual person I have tapped into her energy right now and I'm in the album into the other because I'm here yes Charlotte Oduro na uno yeah call people for us you will see how calm I'll become. This is who she is. This and we baby and we are sumudwe and I make social media who your background jia awarengu ema meda social
but me na make catch me I think say one says see an or ye makeup or nitrinwi
or share and I will CSS
e bia na owa aware ni no nya that opportunity
and I make catch we say obi otime boss of kote eti ano so ye man fa ho di enfa dress onu no tina Emilia Bobo show so ye bold e ka say makeup hu fi bi techire hu fi o say spirit many me we your Yeah, me and now yeah, Brahima. Many men of another
no, if you spirit in a
against any on country because a married more they are running away from makeup because of hair. Makeup enhance beauty and microphone confidence. And yet be Debiana obey me a shell. I'm who confidence. So there are little things in life. I had the kaka a money and maybe engineer my what discouraging people from using it. Who ya pamu who fear our reasons is here and
pamon our will be ampamon.
Oh, Rima, near dealer tabetu abonting. One castle. No, I ain't. What divorcing? One castle or divorcing. One castle man in there divorce. I'm not divorcing with the whole church. The church too is divorcing her. She's been divorced not just at the home, divorced at the church. She can't even be a church member. Although everybody, mommy counselor,
oh, no, bit me.
I see you makeup a cheap.
And I be as a see and why
so you may Cecilia or she makeup, Chammy. Mimi tampon makeup, me me.
What's it?
I share wiggy makeup and won't feel woman. Cecilia, oh yeah, and to never be saying, and I will be no than I worry will be a castle be an energy because she's a hypocrite. She says, come on. She will say, this is bad for you. This is bad for you. The next minute, she is comfortably sipping on it.
A beer, not baby or Tony makeup.
And then she will have another explanation, and people will still be following.
No, but a beer, baby or Tony makeup, no, whom see me, Sab brand now, or Ton. What you see?
I'll make clarify. I say makeup, who Phoebe ta makeup, fifty or tis as a me or no makeup, new wig or dear day. See, or per boy. Only was on
count baby, on count baby.
Why is she wearing it? She wants attention.
Or the enhancing the beauty.
No. So there's a problem with her beauty now. So she knows
there is no problem. And I make her say,
why is she wearing?
Baby, are not turning makeup. Baby, are not makeup. No, baby, I'm not.
This energy everybody is saying I'm witnessing is Charlotte Oduro's energy. I have tapped into it. This is how she behaves. She's crazy. She's from me because she will always talk about you. She will not let you talk. She's always hey. As me buy video say PPA right. Man, some people are unnecessary. We fear some counselor dear. While warrior dear. And when I say set examples, it has to be. It has to be. But why you want someone when you could talk, when you say, would the better bonting to what will be full. None upon a share, or also in your cronia, some man, or to compound. Oh, my, not your mark at you, yeah. Make me die. You want ma and yeah, but because that's what you do.
No,
that's what you do. How do you counsel people and come and run your mouth about your every little detail in your marriage outside?
We're worried for 16 years.
Influencers now.
We're worried for 16 years.
Right, ma. 16 years of hell. And why are dear?
And Mama will say a story be about me.
The man is very calm.
How do you know? You don't know. Who say a ding for only be blue or if you know the word or your ding, but if you know on your ding how? Or
your ding into one fat. Now I remove details. The way you're born, a year, but so I make up. Oh, funny, you near more the yana. I will fear a man met an abonting. Or sure, I want to maybe no churocrata because or by say, oh, John, I saw churocrata to social media because one, yeah, you can't move on. She will keep creating the impression, say, you are a bad man, Motiwana, so trimpna, and now the I know why I know.
Meaning, so almost the other story, Abba say, 16 years of marriage, you know. Sex or my have here 12 times.
Oh, I'm so I know I better rough you know.
Then we see the crew say like
why say?
Oh, yes, see, it was social media. Yeah, I say 12 times in 16 years.
I know there is a lie. Mommy not know so pay because from her talking.
How do you know?
Oh, from in Kasani because no, that's sorry, them the fear. Oh, and say like we should go home and have sex. She's the type that would like sex. If we want out to move or better sex. So we say almost have it 12. So any crew neck as well.
12 times
in 16 years.
In 16 years.
You must every year come have sex back one.
Every year almost so 16. I said no have it 1/3 6. Because we divide 16 by 12, I only 1/3.
Into 1/3 no.
1/3 no.
I'm here full one.
They do. 1/3 is not even up to 1 oh. This is idea full one.
This
and do half.
This is a joke. Maybe it's a joke. I don't think it's true.
It's I don't know 1/3. It be on do Jerry Kokra na say.
Let me almost starting here na canceling ejumaba. Na just oba.
Na so far sorry ko.
Ebia. I think it's a joke.
No.
It was also ko bie weni. Ama we Christo. Enti mo a weni ebie no. Na details of your marriage, any more marriage breakup, you know, social media is it even healthy? Is it yeah, necessary sane no.
Enya sane no, but say you no di kan di buy. Enya ma me no.
But do you know why he was
the man
he has to
the man could have kept quiet. No man go through the court process.
60 years of marriage. You know how the quiet he has kept.
Necessary no mu efie de ni say egu na say mu movie on. Why do you have to bring it on social media? Me e na me what problem wo. Bring it on social media. Ya say ya to letterhead so.
On no chire no. Oba na chire papa na say ye na sa.
Ade unu na TV.
Bayima, where you don't have to live in her house to know how she behaves in the house. Why do you not bedroom ma catch on you dey bear man? Why can't you play?
Ebi once be na be I see.
Asem ye ba videos aba bebre. Nsam no oka nyina utie ni ya otimi se ne kunu asem no oka. Bayima waka say mama wa ni court class obekan. So what trying to say aware mu nsem ye to social media. Waka nti so no the letter beto a people say say obe o de beto no onye din ma we do oye din aware no
timing no people have problem with the timing
number Valentine gig
like nkoma embo gig ni because you sure say kofo ebuki
any abono big time
asa obi aware egu na say like asa wo JB we ni aje wo
buy my many meji for it was so obvious that aware ni begu it was just a matter of time from niamo onu aka. And I'm sure say was senko for fear be not senko for brabo with all this foolish, excuse me to say if I'm allowed to use the word.
No.
Advice, counseling.
You insult him.
Oh, and you na me did na temo. And someone na nkwatisa some na ye o ka kire nkrofo. Bayima, what imagine ni pain him na wo kire omo. E na yesi me preachi na me say papa for sorry na me fam way na me Bayima. Sani e chire nkrofo ade you are making obewu yama ma aye rude obema de na oyo oba nyansafo na oni ba ma sebse bukasi akotena she says stuff like that every time she's making it obvious so ono wanyansa nse ne kunu nti ne kunu ntina se nyansa be na wo obi o wanyansa brahima nyansa is power nyansa is hey brahima o wanyansa enu ano no wa ware begu obi anhu da obi anti da ukunu for be so so odi letter ba akoto abonti because the way I ukra wo the way I ukasa efia we siesie enkrofo aware a ekoso na yebo abaso like you know like if the best road but me I sure said there will be a video I can say oh mommy doggy oh a gangster who so a gangster she's not polished.
Oh, nyami ni pa mpacho mesro.
Ayo.
Oh, nyami ni pa.
Nyami be.
Nyami nyankopon.
O
twedi ampo nyankopon. Your boss robo asase. Oh, ye reverend doctor.
Ene ne. It is well.
Baba, oh yeah, sure. Oh yeah, incident where you see me. I'm sure say she will definitely come out of it and be strong again. Me sure say be affected.
She is out of it already. Who say why make up? Make up. When you big deal man, you can say one no nkrofo na adwuma na egu. Adwuma na esi. Oh yeah make up. You see how we say well, settings na Fabio. I mean make up. Or make up or shake. Or week or granting interviews.
On your settings.
Okay. Or granting interviews like our onukrampo or she says something like that. Say onukrampo no edru baby no bisa no say ba ne say no be ware obisa. Which is be man adwuma form.
So me
I don't know Miss Cobb Beman in social media ko share the way okasa the way handle kofo he seemed to be a gentleman very kind person always giving from what I saw on social media at least even if he's fake grandpa he's portraying some nice life be out there wow who say who too kofo we a big role model to make canon won't set a good example
na sama man ka wo be dey hu say na sama ma because a lot of the videos na show a lot of the videos na ye hwe ni na bebre wo ho a eye nsemi a waka etwemu ba akwai say ade na etwemu na nkofo akọ
etwemu but at that time na all cannot no one can say your marriage counselor if she was marriage counselor last week and on time videos no by will say so oh that time no hu nyame no on your marriage counselor but there were videos that time no the titles show. E ke marriage counselor title e ke show ka tell dey awie male am fi ono abu ashkana.
Male am.
Acho ale. Omo friend honorarium o se dey.
Honorary sorry dey. Charlotte Oduro, me I believe say after this issue no Obeba out strong. Me, that is what I believe.
You see, she's out strong already. She's wearing makeup and wearing wig. Now, I don't want more. She's out already strong. Wearing makeup and wig. The makeup artist say, move fit you know. I didn't have no option or dressing. Or granting interviews, I go so condemn no bear man. So no name reason why I call varied obisa. Now I need them like I say, oh, I'm fun who. If someone worry, oh, definitely, oh. Brahima, a counselor send me a buying. What I expect, oh, Casson granting to oh, yes, she will be share or train. No, what, or the Nyansan or the council, or the Nyansan, I meeting, no more prepare a letter. Send a nigger, no more the abet to abonting. I apologize to Crawford say, I apologize, say. Me am a marriage counselor. I'm a counselor. My worry, I call you say. And no interest say. Oh no, I can be come my business. No, I trust so. Take back over that salon back on I show you makeup no care.
No.
That camera so sensitive. So now we chat.
Now let's be fair to Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro. Can
you be fair to this energy I'm talking to?
A lot of.
Can you be fair to this energy I'm talking to?
Yes, I can be fair.
This Balabaja energy.
Oh no, let's be fair to her. Say a lot of the videos now are out no. Baby, or what old videos and an asemwa benti and a croffa coaching on the
other. Old videos no. Sad time no on your counselor. On your so-called marriage counselor.
No, counselor.
Hey, marriage counselor problem neighbor na ye. And when someone what is past. Past and on like a check or present time, you know talk me. That's how it's supposed to be. And the past now who can sad time no a teacher ni and not to idea wa go to market and I say and if you make us say sad time na your friend no. Aha. But that time ni na o kan kwase asem no kita title. No, get a title.
O can say no, can quite as a man, no,
Brian, my can so do Zabo who could say and was assem. So no penny was some of our can't was assem.
Sena a don't talk. Won't say you don't talk or no, you don't talk.
Or don't talk or sit them, area them. What happens in Las Vegas?
That means I said, no,
what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Me, poor, in Kofi say, my bottom cramp on Brahima, and discussing details of near Kosuami relationship.
Touch not my anointed and do my prophet.
And you cannot touch on. You want to lie? You couldn't want you. Also, what touch on? One touching the was so crowded about two bedroom. Attaching. I saw who on the grass and attaching because she can't even go to church.
Says Reverend Dr. Charlotte.
Why, she has made enough money from all the lies and fake encouragement. She's made money from all of this. Ain't no on my own purpose. Because on business be. No start knowing yet with the trend now when you no enjoy counseling.
No, but me assure say nothing be our catch you be cry no. I save you be what can be so. Maybe nothing na about
I save you what can be so Brahima. Say only bear mati no cheating wo so a eno ntime njara no. Nya maybe wo you have to for me say obi wo ha me tini din ana me hu ni picture be ha me wana wa me delete. I make sure say you are not part of my physical algorithm.
This is here hey senka Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro PO then anga be ka kire no.
Hey make us say what you do? Ah u training.
Mama Sha.
U training what you do? Sana ka kire. What you do na mo pe business bi na fa sell. Because counseling ni dey nyamutu.
There is a mogu career.
Brahima.
Who
cancels the counselor? Who cancels the marriage counselor? Who see what as example? Who the a crumble? What will you? You are telling me something worry me to
that be mean.
No, na worry go counseling I dey.
Since you are no experience, it is a beer or the two before. Or a lot to say.
Ogusu woman no cry no catch nkrofo say
no, but Ceciano,
it is a free my experience.
Ceciano, obey a very good marriage counselor because one, wakum.
If she will be sincere, Brahima, if she will be sincere.
But she's been sincere all these years.
Oh, Brahima, sincere. Telling people that say, I didn't yakra, I didn't yakra tinemu, my studio and she let 3 years ago. Back on the one way. Back on the one way. She's not sincere. She has to endure it. She should have begged the man. You should have come on social media and say, "Oh, make me part. You won't and stay." Who face about social media? No, soon patch or say any nikun kasana or donna. Brahima, she left, and she's telling people that you don't have to leave. So she's not sincere. Makacho.
Bacho, mediacy on Reverend Dr. Charlotte Oduro.
I say advice me. Yeah, advice one say.
Who
Hey, yeah. Advice I bet me a for somebody who has been trending. But you're trending man faton ade. Wo bibi a faton. No, just na no bana because as it is that we will always remember you as the marriage counselor whose marriage was in shambles.
But I didn't so serious. Marriage counselor na worry you go.
Oh, Brahima, a debia. We are humans. We flaws there can you ho. E betimi esi. Brahima, a debia just a betimi simple. Now so yam fa marriage counselor bi na sem awari egu asem betena se enka because they don't come they are not in you think they are not on social media too. There are plenty marriage counselors there. They are not there condemning people for leaving. Condemning people for leaving their marriage, condemning women, condemning men, condemning people, encouraging people to stay in abusive relationship, telling people how I beat my husband, how I do this my husband, when my husband is like this, how I disrespect my husband, me them in what there, and then I dream of from my brain, I make it come. Hey, she said, look, my brain pool. She said all these plenty things, one person. What's one man?
Oh.
Hey, right, you
okay.
We will always remember her for that. What to make you want to fight a 10-year-old child, my child, for God. You couldn't fight for your marriage. The disappointment. And I'm disappointed. And I can't say. Here, Brahima. Because almost so much dream of from to say no not dream of from no. We went through hell because of her. So I'm giving her hell back to her. Brahima, they are making of Okomfo Black. I am aware, but I don't care. Me too. Okomfo Black. I am normal. And so my didi atem. Then some of what can on my didi atem. Me cry after your friend, my mama can say, you know, okay, can't send me to say, me, my dream was only they be not dream was so. My dream was so. Empony.
It is also one car. It would be no. But so man account but 60 seconds.
60 seconds great what do all trending to all be ton atom. No. Because after the trend nothing else. No you. So pen chon ya share or ya sekete or ya share chon or ya pen chon na what chon. Oh upon why I do. He's so kind. I don't go for
no come for the do every you.
Yeah, but we know that. But it's not in people's business all the time. Why? So to me akasa. So yes off. Oh. So na na efe no kona kan dan. Odinile mu. Like oh. Oye pen chon oye share chon. Oye masaka too much.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.